another day in my life vlog. So I thought of making a vlog after so long because we are going to Suraj Kund Mela today, which is a really famous Mela which takes place in Ghaziabad, and it happens every year. So it's really surprising that I haven't visited it after being living in Delhi for so long, but today I thought let's go there this year, and it's happening right now. So we are going to Suraj Kund Mela and I'm gonna make a vlog out of it. I'm gonna show you everything that happens there. Basically it's a very nice Mela where you can see like handicraft items, some really unique home decors and everything. So let me take you all with me to Suraj Kund Mela today. And I am wearing lots of layers of clothes because in Delhi it's so chilly and the weather is so stubborn. It's already February but winter is not going anywhere soon, and today there is no sun outside. That's why I am layering up a lot of clothes because मुझे ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है. And now we are going to the entry point.
So this is what the entry looks like, and there was a large crowd to see the Mela. At the entry there was an amusement park kind of a section for kids where there were a lot of swings, and the entry was free. So I think if you have kids, it's really nice, this portion, they will really enjoy it. Then inside the Mela there were a lot of pavilions with home decor items, eating things, food items like achar, papad, all kinds of achar, and everything that you expect in a Mela was here. Then there were a lot of clothing items like suits, saris, dupattas. So the area is really big and you have to keep walking. There were also things that we see in every Mela, like these chopping things which they say that makes it easier in the kitchen. Also there were like party wear suits, but I felt that the prices were overpriced. Like this shrug was for 2500. It was a light suede kind of a shrug. I like this particular pavilion with this sharara kind of items. There were a lot of party wear shararas, but again I felt they were overpriced. Like they started from 5,000 to 7,000. What do you think about the price? I think they are overpriced. The architecture in the Mela, I would say, was really good. The setup were huge and there were a lot of clay items which are back in fashion due to health reasons, and you should have these kind of clay pots and clay tawas at home. They are really good for health. You can see the setup, it looks like a mini village, and the area is so huge it becomes difficult to cover it in one day. There were a lot of clothing items from cotton to silk to every kind of material. The silk sarees started from 2,000 rupees and then they go up. There were a lot of home decor items like these wind chimes. The Fulkari dupattas were for 1,000 rupees each, which I think was way overpriced because I got these for 500 from Amritsar. So I felt the clothing on whole was overpriced. There were carpets like this. The bigger one was for 4,000, the smaller one for 2,500 rupees. And there were some really cute doormats like this butterfly impression doormat and the Mickey Mouse one. They were really nice. There were jute bag carpets also, like this one was for bigger one was for 2,000 rupees, 100 rupees for coasters. The Banarsi dupatta like this one was for 1,000 rupees, but it was artificial silk. The jewelry was reasonably priced. There were beautiful lighting items that you can use in your home. There were a lot of them. There were these light blankets that you can take in summers. It was for about 700 for a single bed. Also there was entertainment like folk music, which I absolutely love. you don't need to worry about food. There is every kind of food here, from Indian to Chinese to momos to bhel puri. Everything you say is here.
So guys, we are just taking a little rest because the area is so large that I don't think it's possible to cover everything. There are so many pavilions out there, but I think it's really beautiful, full of culture and tradition and colorful, everything that I absolutely love. So we are absolutely loving it. So just taking a little rest and then we'll explore more.
Beautiful cultural groups which made me really happy.
Hey guys, so this was all about the Surajkund Mela vlog. I hope you all liked it. We enjoyed it a lot because a day like this is always a pleasure. We love to explore Delhi and different unique areas of it. So that's it for today. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Pokimix for more such interesting videos. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.